Gmail. Gmail is a trend name. It is a features of Google. Today I tell about Gmail. In every Android phone we need a Gmail account. So let's start the video. Before start the video, please subscribe my channel, like the video. So let's start the video. Today's video subject is how to create a Gmail account in any Android phone and any other phone. So at first open a browser. I opened already and type Gmail sign up. Then create your Google account and there is a option first name. I put a name, first name and last name, and I should choose a username. All letters are short letters, no alphabetical letters are then choose a password and confirm password. Next option this shows that username is already taken, so I should change the username. I should put a phone number and here shows enter verification code. This code is come to my number and I put it and number is verified. And here shows recovery email address. This is optional, so I not put any email ID and then choose an option date of birth and fill up the gender and here shows keep and other option yes I am in. Yes I am in, so I click keep option and my account is created. I agree. Welcome to my Gmail account. Gmail account is created. If anyone create an account on PC or laptop, the process is same. That's all for today guys. Subscribe my channel and like the video. Thank you.